Hello friends, I am Dr. Rupa Gupta. In this video, I am going to explain multiple choice questions on Consumer Protection Act 1986. So let's start with question number 1. Any person prefer an appeal to State Commission shall be deposited amount in prescribed manner. Your options are A. 25,000 rupees, B. 50% of that amount, C. Whichever is less of the above A and B, and option D, none of these. And the correct answer is C, that is whichever is less of the above A and B. Question number 2. The Consumer Protection Act 1986-2. Your options: the whole India except Jammu and Kashmir, B. the whole India except Nagaland tribal area and Jammu and Kashmir, C. the whole India except Nagaland tribal area, option D. the whole India. And the correct answer is A. the whole India except Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 3. Appropriate laboratory means a laboratory or organization. Option A. recognized by central government, B. recognized by state government, C. both A and B, option D. none of the above. And the correct answer is C. both A and B. Question number 4. Complainants means A. the central government or any state government, option B. any voluntary consumer association registered under the Companies Act 1956, option C. consumer, option D. all of the above. And the answer is D. all of the above. Question number 5. Complaint means allegation in writing made by a complaint that, your options are A. a traders or the service provider, as the case may be, has charged for the goods or for the services mentioned in the complaint a price in excess of the price. Option B. the goods bought by him or agreed to be bought by mean suffer from one or more defect. Option C. And a fair trade practices or restrictive trade practices has been any trader or service provider. Option D. all of the above. And the correct answer is D. all of the above. Question number 6. The following is not a consumer. Your options are the insurance company, B. a lottery ticket holder, C. a license to run a phone, option D. all of the above. And the correct answer is D. all of the above. Question number 7. The Central Consumer Protection Council shall consist of the following members. Your options are A. the Chief Justice of High Court, B. such member of other official or non-official members representing such interests as may be prescribed, option C. the Minister in charge of Consumer Affairs in the central government, who shall be its chairman, and option D. both A and B. And the answer is D. both A and B. Question number 8. The Central Councils shall meet as and when necessary, but at least meeting of the council shall be held every year. Your options are A. 4, B. 3, C. 1, D. 2. And the answer is C. 1. Question number 9. Object of Central Council is, your options are A. the right to be protected against the marketing of goods which are hazardous to life and property. Option B. the right to inform about the quality, quantity, potency, purity, standard and prices of goods so as to protect the consumer against unfair trade practices. Option C. the right to be assured wherever possible to a variety of goods at competitive prices and the right to herd, and to be assured that consumer interest will receive due consideration appropriate. And option D is all of the above. And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Question number 10. Members of State Consumer Protection Council should not exceed. Your options are A2, B5, C10, D3. And the answer is C10. Question number 11. The chairman of the District Consumer Protection Council is A. MP of district, B. Collector of the district, C. District Magistrate, D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. Collector of the district. Question number 12. Which of the following known as Consumer Dispute Redressal Agency? Option A. National Commission, B. State Commission, C. District Forum, D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 13. President of District Forum is A. A person who are qualified to be a district judge. Option B. A person who are qualified as advocate. Option C. Collector of the district. Option D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. A person who are qualified to be a district judge. Question number 14. Mark the correct option relating to district forum. Your options are A. 10 years knowledge and experience in dealing problems relating to economics, law, commerce, accountancy, industry and public affairs. Option B. Member age shall not be less than 35 years old. C. Possess a bachelor of degree from recognized university and it should have 2 members, one of whom shall be a woman. Option D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 15. The disqualification of the member is option A. Is of unsound mind. Option B. Is an undercharged insolvent. Option C. Has been convicted and sentenced to imprisonment for an offence which in the opinion of the state government involves moral turpitude. Option D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 16. Every appointment of district forum shall be made by the state government on the recommendation of a selection committee consisting of the following. Your options are A. Secretary in charge of department dealing with consumer, again shall be another member. Option B. Secretary Law Department of the state shall be a member. Option C. President of the State Commission shall be a chairman. Option D. All of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 17. Who will working as a president in case absence of the President of State Commission? Your options are A. Chief Justice of High Court, B. A sitting of High Court, C. Chief Minister, D. Governor. And the correct answer is B. A sitting of High Court. Question number 18. Select the correct option. Your options are members of district forum may resign his office in writing address to the state government. Option B. The member of district forum shall eligible for reappointment for another term. Option C. Every member of district forum shall hold office a term of 5 years or up to the age of 65 years. And option D is all of the above. And the correct answer is D. All of the above. Question number 19. Jurisdiction of district for rupees is A. Exceed 20 lakh, B. Exceed 50 lakh, C. Up to 20 lakh, D. 20 to 50 lakh. And the correct answer is D. 20 to 50 lakh. Question number 20. The complaint shall ordinarily be decided within option A. 45 days from the date on which the complaint was received. Option B. 30 days from the date which the complaint was received. Option C. 21 days from the date which the complaint was received. Option D. No data limit. And the correct answer is C. 21 days from the date which the complaint was received. Question number 21. Where the complaint alleges a defect in the goods which cannot be determined without proper analysis or taste of the goods, the sample of goods forwarded to appropriate laboratory for laboratory test, such type of case finding report within dash days. Your options are A. 30, B. 40, C. 45, D. 60. And the correct answer is C. 45. Question number 22. Every complaint shall be heard as expeditiously as possible, and endeavor shall be made to the complaint within a period of from the date of receipt of notice by opposite party where the complaint does not require analysis or testing of commodities, and within, if it requires analysis or testing of commodities. Your options are A. 30 days, 90 days, B. 45 days, 90 days, C. 3 months, 5 months, and D option is none of these. And the correct answer is C. 3 months to 5 months. Question number 23. Provided that the minimum amount of sum so payable shall not be less than of the value such defective goods sold or services provided as the case may be to such consumers. Your options are A. 5%, B. 10%, C. Rupees 25,000, D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. 5%. Question number 24. Any person aggrieved by an order made by the district forum may prefer and appeal such order to the state commission within A. 30 days, B. 1 month, C. 90 days, D. 60 days. And the correct answer is A. 30 days. Thank you.